From test to track, StopTech is engineered for performance and driven by passion. StopTech high-performance brake systems have been engineered to tame the brutal heat generated from braking at more than 200 miles per hour and torture-tested through millions of miles in the most extreme driving conditions. All to make StopTech components and systems the best high-performance brakes around. Since 1999, this commitment to winning has made StopTech one of the most respected names in high-performance brakes. A reputation embedded in championship-winning forged two-piece calipers with removable bridges. Aero rotors with a patented internal vane design for optimal cooling. And billet aluminum aero hats that result in the most capable two-piece rotor design. Multiple patents, cutting-edge innovation, and undeniable quality have resulted in numerous industry honors and hundreds of trophies over the years. Proudly built in the United States, StopTech braking components are manufactured in sunny Southern California in a dedicated state-of-the-art 75,000 square foot facility. StopTech's in-house engineering team provides a level of technical expertise that far outpaces other performance aftermarket brake suppliers. The research and development program runs 4 link brake dynamometers around the clock to test and verify components at speeds up to 240 miles per hour. In addition to in-house testing capabilities, StopTech can perform extensive on-vehicle testing to gather real-world data. StopTech is ISO TS 16949 2009 certified. This quality management certification is highly regarded by OEMs, helping StopTech become one of the most sought-after Tier 1 suppliers of high-performance brakes in the industry. StopTech has also been awarded the highly coveted TÜV approval on big brake kits, successfully passing TÜV's demanding series of tests that range from performance and durability to proper fitment and ease of installation. The StopTech brand is well known and well regarded in markets that include street performance, original equipment manufacturers, armored specialty vehicles, as well as racing. StopTech was the first to offer balanced brake upgrades for production cars and remains the worldwide leader with over 700 platform offerings that dramatically improve overall braking performance. The StopTech catalog has grown to include big brake kits, axle packs, rotors, calipers, pads, lines, fluid, and more. Toyota, Honda, and Chrysler are just a few of the original equipment manufacturers who have discovered the benefits of working with StopTech as a technical partner and supplier. StopTech is the fastest growing supplier of bespoke systems to vehicle armoring companies around the world with heavy-duty components that are durable, dependable, and capable. With a brake late, finish first motto, StopTech Racing was born to service dedicated race markets, providing components and support to top-level teams in road racing, circle track, and off-road competition. Hundreds of race winners and dozens of champions swear by StopTech.
When we built the very first Cayman, I looked around and I said, you know, I've got to make a brake improvement. I've got to put a little bit better brake package on it. I looked around, I chose StopTech. It was one of the best choices I made in this entire program.
And the lessons learned at the track also serve to continually improve StopTech's street products.
My street car, I've got BMW and I've got a Mercedes. Both of those cars I've converted over to StopTech and loved it.
StopTech is the performance and racing brand from Centric Parts, North America's leading manufacturer and supplier of aftermarket and OE brake and chassis components. Centric and StopTech products are sold through a worldwide network of authorized wholesale distributors, retailers, and installers, all part of an ongoing commitment to providing the best high-performance brakes in the world. From test to track, StopTech outpaces the competition, a fact we are proud to say we prove every day.